Good morning, Parkland. Welcome to Jace's POV. I'm Jason Morales, or some of you may know me, I'm Yadie. Tattoos have quite a reputation for themselves, from being used to rank social classes and wealth, gangs and rebellious groups, to many other symbols. Tattoos have become more of an art and expression of oneself. Put on your best shoes and let's get stepping. We're going on a rendezvous looking through Jace's point of view. Although tattoos are super duper cool, it does take a little bit of responsibility, like knowing how to prepare for it and how to take care of it afterwards. And since summer is right around the corner, now is a perfect time to get a tattoo to ensure it'll heal in time. And perhaps convincing your parents to get one will be much easier when you show them you know how to take care of it. First of all, prepare yourself mentally. Of course, depending on its size and location, the pain will vary, but please know it could hurt. However, it is said that after a while, you'll get accustomed to the sensation. Next, research. You want to pick someone who has done good work and is known to be clean. Call and ask questions ahead of time to help you prepare efficiently. Also, research the area you plan on getting tattooed. Some areas are more sensitive than others and need a little bit more of care. Armpits are believed to be the most painful spot to get, followed by the rib cage. You can reference the picture on screen. Often, people use numbing cream to help prepare. Depending on your pain tolerance, the effectiveness of it varies. You can take ibuprofen, acetaminophen, stay away from aspirin or other blood thinning medication. After you are tattooed, you should know the healing time varies, but it should be healed after 4 to 5 weeks. Make sure to follow the instructions of your tattoo artist, but remember to keep it moisturized when washing. Use warm soapy water with antibacterial soap, and whatever you do, do not pick at the flakes. There you have it. Until next time, I'm Jason Morales. Have a great day, Parkland.